this is Shannon at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Today we're going to talk about the 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. This one is a beautiful light blue hull. It's the full hull color. Comes with a trailer. And of course Boston Whaler is the unsinkable legend due to its closed cell foam, which is injected into the hull, and once they put the two pieces of the hull together, it's basically indestructible. You can't pull the hull apart. Starting in the rear of the boat, this boat is equipped with the rear transom seats on either side. It has your 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine, in-floor fuel tank, 25 gallon. Has your adjustable helm seat, which doubles as a leaning post. Live well inside there. Moving up to the helm, it has your flat dash right here for your electronics to be mounted in dash. Of course, you have your 12-volt plug-in for your phone or your spotlight. Stainless steel grab rail. Of course, you've got your blue bimini top with this one. Low profile stainless grab rails on the inside of the boat. Full length locker storage, insulated for your fish. Then you have your anchor storage up front, and of course this boat is already pre-wired for your trolling motor. Again, this is Shannon at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. If you're interested in this 17 Montauk and you want to take it out on the water for a ride, give me a call. My number is 850-630-5459. Thanks and have a wonderful day.